Defining true strength, overcoming hardships with resilience and humility. People who are strong are not necessarily born with that strength. They develop it through facing and overcoming challenges regardless of their gender. A truly strong person is someone who is resilient and determined, refusing to give up even when faced with adversity. Strong individuals are able to get back up when knocked down, and they possess a humble spirit, despite the difficult experiences they have gone through. They understand that their struggles have shaped them and made them into the person they are today. It's important to note that strength is not solely physical, but also includes emotional and mental fortitude. A strong person has the ability to handle difficult emotions, cope with stress, and maintain a positive outlook on life. They understand the importance of self-care and seek help when needed. Ultimately, being a strong person is not about never experiencing hardships or struggles, but about the ability to overcome them and emerge stronger on the other side. It is a continuous journey of self-improvement, growth, and resilience.